Hey, what's up folks, Matt Berry, and this is a pine straw install. Got these first few beds finished, nice and thick, good rounded edges, defines the line really, and then once it weathers it just kind of nestles back in there. As you can see, got all these prepped. Just installing some nice, beautiful long-leaf pine straw. It just has a distinct definition from yard to bed. It just looks really, really good. And we're about to here. We're gonna wrap around here and then do the entrance. I know what you're saying. That's too much pine straw. But what it does, it actually gets it weathered. When it weathers, rain hits it, wind hits it, and it settles down, it won't look half as big as that. So what we do is we fluff it up, we round the edges, and then it settles nice and it looks almost as good as the day you install it. You can say it. I'll say it with you. That looks good. I know. See the way we defined all the beds. Driveways got some nice rounded edges. Everything's defined. Everything's cut back. Alright folks, and that was a pine straw install.